Does the Supreme Court's ruling in 303 Creative versus Elenis mean that landlords or sellers can now discriminate against the LGBTQ plus community? It is April 27th, and April is National Fair Housing Day, and I've committed to making a fair housing video every day in the month of April. Rights that were once considered protected have become less so with legislation and court cases, perhaps none bigger than 303 Creative versus Elenis. It's a hot-button issue, and the answer is critical for every renter, buyer, and professional to understand. First, let's look at what the case actually was. 303 Creative involved a web designer who didn't want to create custom wedding websites for same-sex couples. She argued that her websites were pure speech, basically art, and that the government couldn't force her to speak a message that she disagreed with. The Supreme Court agreed. They ruled that when a business is providing an expressive, creative service, the First Amendment protects them. Now, here's the part that matters for real estate. Many people heard that ruling and asked, does this mean a landlord can refuse a gay couple? Does this mean a seller can pick a buyer based on their identity? The answer as of right now is a firm no. In the eyes of the law, there is a massive difference between expressive speech and commercial conduct. Selling a house or renting an apartment is not considered speech. It is a commercial transaction. You aren't writing a poem for your tenant. You are providing an essential service, housing. The Fair Housing Act still stands. It prohibits discrimination based on race, religion, disability, and sex. And remember, under current HUD guidelines, sex explicitly includes sexual orientation and gender identity. While the 303 Creative case created a narrow exception for artists, it did not give a green light for housing providers to ignore the law. If you are in the business of housing, you are in the business of equal opportunity. So, if you're a buyer or a renter in the LGBTQ plus community, know that your protections are still the standard. And if you're a housing provider, your professional duty remains unchanged. The speech loophole is very narrow, and housing almost never fits through it. Fair housing isn't just a set of rules, it's the backbone of a healthy community. If you have questions about how these laws protect you, drop a comment below or send me a DM. I'm here to help you navigate this market with confidence. And if you are a member of the LGBTQ plus community and are looking for a realtor who aligns with your beliefs, DM me and I will connect you with somebody in your area.